So just like Jesus was the ultimate shepherd and ultimate harvest master, he is wanting his disciples to continue and become what Jesus was to the people. And we have seen throughout this week where Jesus has been telling his disciples not to be afraid, because he will put his words into their mouth. And also we have seen in today's gospel, he said not to be fearful. Often he repeats this sentence, not to be afraid. If they are afraid or fearful, what will happen is it will weaken their faith, weaken their witness, and make them retreat from their mission. And I would like to conclude by saying, in today's gospel, Jesus gives the example of sparrows and hare. By these examples, Jesus wants to say that you are valuable, you are precious. God loves you dearly and intimately. Only one thing he wants us to do is that we acknowledge him before others.